Hello, everybody. Welcome to the KicknGravel Bitcoin market update for the evening edition of December 14th, 2018. Friday. Yes, guys, we made it. Let's take a look at the market real quick. After kind of a long day, let's move into, say, the 4 hour. We had quite a bit of a sell off here, and then we've been kind of just rebounding, which is nice, but all in all, sideways action, nothing really happening. Switch over to the 1 day chart. Let's take a look here. Yeah, don't be in it. Nothing to buy here. Bitcoin still down on the day, below the 9 day moving average. Still falling, diminishing volume with RSI had given us a death cross a few days back and is continuing to go down. So yeah, no good news on the Bitcoin front. Let's move over to Tron, TRX. So Tron gave us a new candle at 5 o'clock. It's currently almost 9. And we had, yesterday was kind of a bit of a red day, or until 5 o'clock. And then now Tron's given us some green. So we've been working on that. Let's move this up a little bit. There you go. Like I said, I think we're going up to this line here. And we're probably going to touch on the day chart, the 200-day moving average. So yeah, things are looking good on that. We also got a golden cross here on the RSI, which is fantastic for Tron. Notice that volume was starting to diminish here. I think we're going to get a little bit of an uptick on that and some more continuation. At least I'm hoping. It's possible that it could, stop here. We do have a somewhat of a double top here and here, but I'm actually looking for more continuation. I don't think this double top means anything at all. So anyway, here on the day chart, look for more continuation up on TRX. Let's check out pay. Okay, so pay, I'm going to just remove some quick lines. I was looking at moving into the 5 minute earlier, just trying to get a look at, let's see, looking at support and resistance. I think, it's still not a sell yet. We're getting an uptick in volume right here, just barely, but RSI is coming down. Now, it's not really a sell signal just because we got a RSI death cross, because it could come down a little bit and then spike right back up. So again, I'm not selling this yet. If I was watching it carefully, this still could be the top, but if I was watching it carefully and I was able to sell up here, that probably would have been the better move. But yeah, it's okay. We're gonna see how this plays out. It's still looking good, and look for some sideways action here to play out. All right, let's move on to the other guy here, the only other performer, which is Doge. At 5 o'clock, it ticked over, and now Doge is doing some selling. But it's still looking good. It probably needed a little bit of a pullback anyway, but it's still heading towards my target of top side of the Kumo cloud, and believe it or not, it could probably run higher after that as well. So yeah, Doge looking good. Now, what's interesting, I just saw this just now, is that this run up is a little different than Doge's typical run ups. So I noticed that it likes to spike real hard and go high, and then kind of have a tapered sell off. But this has been a tapered run up. So I don't know if this means that we're getting a slow run up and then it'll hit real hard. It's possible. So it's kind of like what we have here, more of a tapered run up, and then it hits hard. So Yeah, that's actually what it looks like more than anything, and that was back on April 2017. So, and that's really the only other version of that that I can see for now. So, yeah, keep your eye on this. This thing could go real high. Um, Possible, possible. Okay, so anyway, that's all I got for the update today. Keeping it short, keeping it sweet. Let's get you back over to Bitcoin. It's at 3,220, but there's nothing here to buy just yet. And looking at the indicators, everything is really pointing down for the most part. We're getting a slight uptick here in volume, but it's nothing to write home about. This is more concerning than ever, though, with the downtick in the 1 day RSI. Okay, guys, have a great, blessed day. Thanks for hanging with me this evening. I will talk to you guys soon. I'm Aaron, and I'm out. See ya.